Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Monday, hope you had a great weekend. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, this week's channel shout out. Remix. I don't know if this guy's channel is around anymore. I haven't seen it, so we're gonna draw another one. I'll have to check. Oh, cool. We got BC Jerbs. His channel is definitely still around. And who I believe just hit 300 subs. And there's his channel sticker. Center screen right there. Mr. BC Jerbs. Most excellent guy. There's your shout out, brother. Check out his channel, it'll be linked in the description. Well, alrighty, I hope you give that channel a check and give him a subscribe and a like, a few of their videos, or just binge all their videos the whole weekend. Just do nothing else. No. Yeah, so have a great week. Hope it goes by fast, and we'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to check the little end cards floating around in the video at the end for their channels, and also there'll be links in the description. Have a great day, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.